Hello all, I'm here with another unboxing video for you today, and this one is the Boya BY M1S lavalier microphone. I decided to pick up a new microphone, see if I can get something a little bit better than what I had. Oh, let's open her up. I haven't actually had it open yet, but the package kind of came apart. Oh, nice. It comes with a nice little leather packet. Another pouch. And we got the instructions in here. Universal lavalier microphone. Okay, I'm gonna see something here. Okay, so it says here, attach the microphone to your clothing. Slide the microphone to the smartphone switch. If you're using a camera or a smartphone, plug the 355mm connector into the audio jack of your smartphone and open the recording app and start recording. All right, pretty simple stuff. So this is the bag it comes in, which is very, very nice. I only paid like $25 Canadian for this too. And I've heard other reviewers on YouTube say that this is very good. Okay, there's the mic. There's the clip. Huh, how does this work? Is there another clip in the bag here? Let me see here. Yes, there is. Yes, it is. Okay, perfect. Anything else in the bag I should see? A little moisture packet and a little tag. Huh. Cool. Comes with a little quality assurance tag. Perfect. All right, so the cord on this thing is huge. Okay, it's a camera smartphone switch. Nice. It's got some heft to it too. Surprisingly weighty. All right, so now I'm sure you're all eager for. In fact, I'm eager for it too. Let's actually test this puppy out recording. All right, and this is recording with the new microphone. The last bit that you heard was me recording with the old microphone, which is this thing right here. I bought it for like 20 bucks on Amazon ages ago. I can't even remember the model now. So hopefully the quality on this new one is a lot better. Let me know what you think down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe and pray every day.